This is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to share your video clips to YouTube on your PlayStation 5 so you can go ahead and start a YouTube channel or something like that. Now the first thing you want to do is link your account from YouTube to the PlayStation 5, and you want to go to settings right here and then scroll on down to users and accounts, then go to linked services and then go to the right, and here is YouTube. Go ahead and sign in with your YouTube information, accept the permission so you can see it right here. And you just have to sign in with your email address and password, and I believe you can actually sign in with your phone too, just by scanning like a QR code or something like that. So if you have your phone with YouTube logged in, go ahead and just go and log in with that real quick. Then we want to go on over to the media gallery. We can access this by pressing and holding down the share button right here on the controller. Then go on over to your video clip, and let's just go to the media gallery. Now you do have an option to quickly share it right here if you really want to, but sometimes I like to edit it a little bit. So you can go to the edit option right here, trim it, and then set like a cover image, which would be your thumbnail. Then we want to go to the media gallery right here, and we can select multiple clips at the same time. So if we go to this option right here, we can select multiple clips, then go to the three little dots, and we should be able to upload it now to like we can back out of here actually. If we want to share it, press options on it and go to share, and we can go to multiple different videos if we select YouTube now, and then we can go to this option right here. So once we do this, we can actually select multiple videos. So it's a little bit different than how you normally do it if you're going to upload it to the PlayStation app, etc. So come to this section, attach it. You should be able to upload multiple video clips, and then you can change the title right here, enter in whatever you want, the description, the tags, and then the privacy. So if it's your first uploading, you might want to go ahead and have it unlisted so you can view it before it's released to the public, or you can make it private. Or if you just want to share it to one friend or something and you don't want everyone to see it, just go to unlisted. Public, everyone can see it and they can search for it. And I was showing you the option for like a thumbnail. So if you go over the video, you press options on it, go to edit. This little icon right here says cover image, and this will be your thumbnail for the YouTube video. So you can add like text on here as well, and this is a very simple way to like make a thumbnail and such. You can do much better with Share Factory, but you can move this around and you can do different options on here. So just play around with it and then save it, and that's what's going to be uploaded. It's going to be the cover image for your video. So you can just select the trim, you can go to done. But if you want to get a more detailed edit, make sure you edit this in Share Factory right here. This is a full-fledged video editor on the PlayStation 5. This will allow you to make amazing videos. So we can just go to here, and we have all these different options. We can add screenshots, we can add music, we can add commentary, we can add the PlayStation 5 camera on here if we want to talk and have our picture on the screen, etc. And overlays, transitions. So you can pretty much do anything that you would on a computer. You can have slowdown effects, you can clone clips, pan and zoom on a video clip if you want to get real close. So you can see that guy right there. I really didn't see him too well, and it looks like I'm missing him because he's jumping, or no, that's me. The person's getting hit markers on me. You can see when I'm about 2 feet away to the left of where his icon is, and he's getting an armor break on me. So that's kind of BS. That's why I like having video recordings, just to see what happened. So then you're going to have to render this, press options, and you can export to gallery. You want to export it to your gallery, that will be under your media gallery right here, and then you can just simply upload that video clip to YouTube. So you can also see there is a photo editor under Share Factory as well. I made this under here. So it looks like that's the video clip actually. So here is the thumbnail that I made. So you just have to set this as the cover image, the thumbnail, before you upload it, and it'll be really simple. So you can see I did that with this video. It's a video, it's 1 minute and 46 seconds long. If I click on it, it's me talking with the camera. So you can do a lot of cool things on there. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.